Hey guys, welcome back. I got you some more exciting videos from Epic Fury. And what this includes is going to show U.S. forces taking out the so-called Iranian Navy, a corvette-class, Soleimani-class corvette, which we're just going to call it Salami-class because it actually was a piece of shit. Because when the U.S. forces hit it, it actually fired a surface-to-surface missile, and no one knows where it went to. But anyway, they also took out an Iranian drone carrier, which was a converted oil tanker, and you're going to see the over 50 fighter jets from the Israeli Defense Force. They took out the Supreme Leader, took out his bunker and all of his homies. Now, in this, you're going to see the B-1 Lancer return to the continental United States after operations at Epic Fury were delivered as payloads, and you're going to see B-52 Stratofortress or B-52 bombers taking off in formation from the continental United States on their way to Iran. And I'm going to tell you what, you think about it, that's a long ass flight. So let's go ahead and take a look at these videos, and God bless America.
But mark my words, this war will be fought not on the frontier or on some distant battlefield, but amongst us.
Honor, code, loyalty. We use these words as the backbone of a life spent defending something.
Let me tell you something you already know. The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward.
Thank you for watching Bad Boats. We hope you liked this video.